Guess the vehicle name. Question number 1. Timer start. Try plus S plus I plus call is equal to tricycle. Question number 2. Timer start. Answer. T plus rain is equal to train. Question number 3. Timer start. Answer. Row plus cat is equal to rocket. Question number 4. Timer start. Answer. S plus I plus call is equal to cycle. Question number 5. Timer start. M plus bull plus ants is equal to ambulance. Question number 6. Timer start. Answer. A plus row plus P plus line is equal to aeroplane. Question number 7. Timer start. Answer. Chair plus 8 is equal to chariot. Question number 8. Timer start. Answer. Track plus T plus air is equal to tractor. Question number 9. Timer start. Hot plus air plus balloon is equal to hot air balloon. Question number 10. Timer start. Answer. T plus rock is equal to truck. Question number 11. Timer start. Answer. Koi plus N is equal to crane. Question number 12. Timer start. Answer. Care plus Y is equal to carry. Question number 13. Timer start. Answer. T plus roll plus Y is equal to trolley. Question number 14. Timer start. Answer. Co plus roll plus A is equal to Corolla. Question number 15. Timer start. Answer. Fire plus T plus rock is equal to fire truck. Question number 16. Timer start. Answer. Sh plus P is equal to ship. Question number 17. Timer start. Answer. Tax plus I is equal to taxi. Question number 18. Timer start. Answer. Police plus car is equal to police car. Question number 19. Timer start. Va plus G plus on is equal to wagon. Please like, subscribe, share and a lovely comment. Bye bye. Tata.